Hi, welcome to a quick tour on running monthly processes for balance sheet lessee accounting. If you are watching this video, chances are you have identified your organization as a lessee of assets and you need to know what steps to take to ensure that your financial statements are compliant with the revised regulatory requirements. In this video, we will discuss how your ongoing lease payments created through recurring billing generation impact your leased assets and how to run monthly processes to create journal entries to adjust all accounts associated with lessee accounting, ensuring that your financial statements are up to date for your leased assets. Create monthly balance sheet lessee accounting journal entries by running the Balance Sheet Lessee Accounting Journals program R15 180. When you run R15 180, you can specify the through month and year in the processing options. This enables you to process multiple months at once. The R15 180 program uses the information available in the amortization schedules, the processing options, and the balance sheet lessee accounting AAIs to create journal entries that adjust your lessee accounting balances each month. This table shows the typical entries that are created for an operating lease. You can see where the values are retrieved from the amortization schedules, which AAI is used to create the journal entry, and whether the entry is a debit or a credit. This table shows typical entries that are created for a finance lease. Again, you can see where the values are retrieved from, the AAIs used to generate the journal entry, and whether the entry is a debit or a credit. Each month, as you run R15 180, the system updates the amortization schedules with a green circle to indicate that journal entries for that period have been created. Additionally, the system updates the batch number, document number, and GL date fields with the information associated with the batch of journal entries. Use the Balance Sheet Lessee Accounting Batch Review Program P150911 to review and post your monthly journal entries. Typically, you run balance sheet lessee accounting journal entries once a month. If you skip running your journal entries for more than a month, the amortization schedule is updated with a red circle indicating that your journal entries are overdue. You continue processing your monthly journal entries until your lease is complete. Use the Recurring Billing Generation Program R15 100 to generate recurring billings to complete the journal entries necessary for lessee accounting. Select the data selection, set the processing options of R15 100, and then run the report. Review the Billing Edit Register Report R15 300 and check for errors. This report shows that the system has generated the recurring billing lease payments and has created journal entries for your leased assets. This concludes the running monthly processes tutorial. To learn more about balance sheet lessee accounting, see the online JD Edwards applications documentation libraries on www.docs.oracle.com or visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.